Okay, we'll give it a go in portrait mode. I know, you get to see more of me. It's quite funky. I'm going to call this Trials with the DJI Osmo Mobile 3. A bit like being on telly, except I'm not. The quality on the iPhone is, I have to say, incredible. Now the question is, can I flip the screen round to the other way by pressing this here? No, I can't. So when you're filming a video on the iPhone XS, you can't swap cameras while you're filming, so it turns out. I want to see in this experiment how smooth the video experience is. Oh no. It's better, let's go down that way, get a bit of that lovely grey cloud which I spoke about not that long ago. Is this going to be buttery smooth like a film, or is it going to be like I'm walking at a jaunty pace? We'll find out when I get to upload it. One problem with the iPhone, which I find, is that everything is made really small, so you can't see it. 1 minute 20 seconds. Just about read the numbers on that with my corrected vision contact lenses. Anyway, hour and a minute and a half gone. That's enough for now. Bye.